Segue doon sa gusto ko itanong agad. Kasi parang ano naman, well, your thoughts about, seeing the trailer of Lavender Fields. Grabe yung character mo dito. As in, parang pasabog. Pati yung kung paano ka umarte dito, like, it's very different from what you've seen before. So yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you're right. It's something that I've really never done before. As in, bukod doon, malayo din siya sa kung paano ako sa totoong buhay. So talagang medyo mahirapan ako sa pagtalon kung paano ko ba gagawin at gaganapan itong role ni Iris. And now na lumabas na yung trailer, sobrang exciting at lalong mas ganado kaming lahat na pagbutihan yung mga eksenang hindi pa namin nagagawa. And I'm just so excited kasi grabe yung cast. So to be part of this, grabe yung pasasalamat ko sa Dreamscape at sa ABS-CBN.
Speaking of grabe yung cast. Grabe yung cast!
Yes, at
Tatanong na ako, Janine, kasi a while ago, we were able to talk to Echo.
Andito pala siya?
Oo, grabe. So, he admitted to, nagde-date kayo together. He actually said, at first, I really joined the show because I was really into the production team and everyone. And then I realized I was also so into her.
Sabi?
Yes. She is an amazing person. Very fun ka daw, and you guys are fun together. So, reaction naman dyan about that?
That's sweet to hear, and I am also super excited to be able to work with him. Actually, one of the things na sinabi ko sa manager ko, si Tito Leo, before he passed away, and when na-pitch pa lang sa akin tong show, and they hadn't mentioned any person yet, sabi ko, sana si Jericho. Sabi ko kay Tito Leo, tapos kunento ko din yun kay Echo na when we first met na, I'm so happy it's you, like, syempre lahat naman tayo, hinahangaan siya bilang artista. So, masaya ako na kasama ko siya dito as Tyrone and Iris. And then parang bonus na rin yung, we get along din pala off-cam.
Well, in-admit niya naman that you guys are dating. So, yung museum na nakita kayo together, I know you've heard about it, you saw photos of it. Pero, so yeah, in-admit niya na you guys are dating. Are you gonna say the same, or is it?
I guess so. Yeah, it's been fun. It's been fun getting to know him and hanging out with him outside of work. So, masaya naman.
He also mentioned that parang na-meet and greet na niya yung family.
Grabe! Ano pa bang kuneta niya? dapat pagkatapos nung Iris trailer, meron ding recap ng Jericho Junket.
Actually, ginabahan kami for you. Kasi dami niya nga talagang naisiwalat. Well, sabi na nga na meet and greet niya na yung family mo.
Yeah.
Your mom, she said in an interview lately lang na parang she sees Echo as very family-oriented naman, and you're an adult already, nasa marrying stage ka na din. What are your thoughts about that? Your mom saying na parang may signal naman.
Edi masaya. edi good. Kasi, actually nauna sila magkatrabaho kasi yung scenes sa Atok, sa Lavender Fields, yung pilot week. Siyempre yun yung unang shoot nila, and hindi ako kasama doon. So, naunang mag-work si Mama at si Echo. And she only had nice things to say about him. So, at least, okay lahat.
Alright. Sige, move on na tayo.
Hi, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
Well, seeing your featurette, para I feel culmination siya ng mga fiero.
Oh my gosh,
Diba?
yeah.
Yung parang si Leon in some parts na tas yung pagiging bratinela niya, no? So parang culmination siya. So could you just describe to us your character Iris sa Lavender Fields?
Sobrang sakto yung sinabi mo, na parang fiero siya. And kunento ko din kay Miss J na, Miss J, paano ko ba gagawin to? Kasi parang Ma'am Leona yung dating very privileged si Iris, mayaman, super powerful. Feeling ko siya yung tipong tao na parang ang lakas loob gawin lahat kasi alam niya na may pera siya, powerful siya, walang makakagalaw sa kanya. So, yun. kunento ko kay Miss J. Actually, pati kay Ate Dimples, nag-reach out ako na, Ate Dimples, turuan mo naman ako, paano ba to? Kasi the creatives were so nice to, explain to me talaga the character at kung sino ba yung mga paboritong kontrabida natin dito sa ABS. Of course, sila Ate Dimples and all the iconic Miss Janice. And yung Ma'am Kiara, meron din actually. So, sabi ko din kay Francine yun nung nag-comment siya dun sa Iris post ko na, what would Ma'am Kiara do? Kasi yun talaga yung gusto kong ma-achieve. And buti na lang din, napanood ko silang lahat sa Dirty Linen kung paano nila ginawa. And then nung unang mga taping kasi sobrang nahirapan ako talaga sa Iris. As in, hindi ko talaga makuha, hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin. And then they explained to me nga na one of the reasons kung bakit ako yung naging Iris, kasi yung mga tingin ko daw sa Dirty Linen at yung tapang din na ipinakita sa Dirty Linen. So parang kinailangan ko i-figure out kung paano ba ma-translate yon dito sa mayaman naman, tapos siya yung talagang antagonist. So sana makita din nila yung ibang side naman.
We've talked about this before after the show ng Dirty Linen na even in the villains or so these so-called villains could still learn a lot from them. Para sa'yo, ano matututunan ng viewers mo kay Iris?
Siguro, to answer your question, sometimes the best part about a good villain is na parang nagiging cautionary tale siya, di ba? Na parang huwag kang umabot sa ganitong level sa kung anumang galit or paghihinagpis ang nangyari sa'yo, na don't take the dark way, kumbaga. So, ayun, sana maging cautionary tale siya. Pero at the same time, ang gusto ko naman kay Iris is na talagang hindi siya magpapaapi. So, lalaban talaga siya. And kung merong umagrabyado sa kanya, papanagutin niya. So, sana they get a little bit of that. Pero wag naman yung tolong masama.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, hello. First of all, congratulations.
Thank
Agad-agad.
you.
What do you say na this role made you step out of your comfort zone?
Yeah, super. As in, parang the first few taping days, parang nagka-identity crisis ako na kaya ko ba talaga itong gawin? Na parang, oh my God, baka they made a mistake in casting me as Iris. Kasi feeling ko, mali-mali yung ginagawa ko talaga nung una na parang at first I was approaching kasi si Iris siya naman yung tunay na asawa eh.
Yeah.
So akala ko na since inagaw yung asawa ko ganyan na parang merong konting lungkot. Pero in-explain sa akin na there are people na kapag nangyari sa kanila yon, puro galit lang talaga and they come from parang a position na mataas. So yun yung nahirapan talaga akong ma-achieve. Kasi nga, sanay ako na yung parang, syempre may
Mabait.
konting pain.
Yeah.
Ito pala, syempre meron ng mga tao na kahit nasasaktan sila, hindi nila ipapakita sa'yo. So ganun pala si Iris.
Oh, I'm just curious, what made you say yes naman to this role? Like, parang,
Yeah.
bakit ka biglang naging kontrabida?
Well, kasi this project, Sir Deo, I guess, picked me. And I mean, I trust him with my whole heart and soul. And I'm just so grateful to be included talaga with the rest of the amazing cast. And syempre kahit ano namang Dreamscape project and show natin dito sa ABS, talagang maganda at bago yung kwento. And I've also always wanted to do action. So parang nung na-mention yung part na medyo may pagka-action and it's like two women against each other, parang okay, parang hindi ko pa to masyadong nakikita na talagang bugbugan. So, yun. Very new siya for me and I'm so grateful to, of course, Sir Deo for thinking of me for this. Kahit ako mismo parang nagdududa ako na kaya ko ba? Parang the fact na nakita niya na kaya ko, edi kakayanin.
Okay. And then, how was it like naman working with Jodie?
Oh my gosh, nung one of my press cons last year when I signed my renewal contract with ABS, they asked who I wanted to
Yeah.
work with. And I
You
said
said
nga,
that.
Ate Jody.
Yeah.
So grabe, thank you Lord, kasi nilakas ko talaga sa'yo. Kaya parang yung mga gusto ko talagang maka-work, ang bilis, nakaka-work ko talaga. Super idol ko si Ate Jody talaga. Of course, with Broken Marriage Vow and everything else that she's done, talagang pinapanood ko yan sa I Want. So, to be able to work with her, sobrang excited talaga ako and I'm so grateful.
Okay, nantusok ko lang yan yung kanina. Since nakilala nga ni Echo yung family mo, like, was it planned on your end na, you know, parang, because when he made kwento kanina, parang, na-meet niya daw na your siblings first and then si Diego and then your
Yeah.
parents who was in the same event.
Yeah.
So how was
Kunento ba
it?
niya how it happened?
Yeah, nag-vet pa daw kayo.
Actually,
Parang nakwento niya lahat.
actually, tanong naman siya kanina kung okay ba ikwento. Pero sabi niya, since nandito na ako, ikwento ko
Parang
na.
nag-enjoy siya makipag-chikahan sa inyo.
He enjoyed it.
Na-enjoy niya. Yeah, it was kind of unplanned. Pero parang it all worked out na rin. Kasi magkasama kami, it's parang kakain lang dapat kami. And then yung dog namin, biglang nirush sa vet. Tapos yung pupuntahan namin, on the way yung vet. So parang sabi niya, daan ka na, check mo na yun. Tapos nung una parang, okay lang, parang baka ano, ganyan. So, parang siya, hindi, check mo na. Tapos parang, oh yun. So yun, na-meet niya yung dog, yung daddy ko, yung mga sisters ko. And then that so happened to be like the same night of my brother's parang song launch. So ayun, nagtuloy-tuloy
Confirm
na
naman
na.
pala lahat ng detalye ng
Yeah.
lolo mo.
Tuloy-tuloy na.
Very accurate.
Random lang talaga siya na araw. Pero it was so much fun. And first time ko din kasi to be able to attend my brother Diego's gig. Parang 2 years na siyang mga gig, but I always have taping. So parang feeling ko bad ate na ako talaga na hindi ko siya nasusuportahan in person. So ayun, nagkataon na I was able to attend. So masaya siya.
Anong pangalan ng pet mo?
Hindi si Punchy.
Hindi si
Iba to
Punchy,
si
oh.
Cappy, Labrador namin sa
Mm.
Fairview. May shoutout pa siya.
Okay na.
Pero how's your mom with all of this? Like, with your career and then your love life, how is she?
My mom is very chill naman and hands-off. Kasi hindi na rin naman ako teenager. And I entered the industry na luckily tapos na ako with school and everything. So, yun lang naman yung deal ni mama na kapag magtrabaho ka, you know, ikaw na yan, ikaw na lahat yan. So, she was never a stage mom with anything. So, chill lang.
How about your dad?
Wala, sobrang chill ng parents ko. As in, very bagets vibe lang, especially my dad. So, I'm very lucky in that sense na chill lang sila. Wala silang masyadong, parang they trust me, so thank you.
Alright.
Pero how is it working with your mother dito sa show?
Well, di ko siya naka-eksena dito. Si Ate Jody lang talaga. And it's cute kasi, you know, nauna siya mag-taping sa akin. So, siya yung nagkwento kung kamusta yung shoot, kamusta sa atok, sobrang ganda daw, sobrang lamig. So, excited din ako na makita talaga nila yung scenery na kung saan naganap yung umpisa ni Lavender Fields.
Yeah. Well, Janine, how do you see yourself in 5 years? Are you married?
Oh.
Well, just looking at it,
Yeah.
like in the future, 5 to 10 years from now,
Yeah.
how do you see yourself?
Well, yeah, of course I do want all of that in the future. So, we'll see.
Like,
Pero,
want to get married, have kids, ganun ba?
I do. Pero ikaw yung natatawa. So, hinihilig ako.
Pero si ano, si
Hindi, pero
Jericho-
wala naman. I mean, I'm not saying anything. I'm just
Yeah.
saying na, you know, we'll see.
Hindi, go. Dapat
Ni, mama mo had scenes with Jericho, di ba?
Yes.
Ano
Yeah.
sabi ng mamay mo sa working with Echo?
Masaya siya. Parang tinulungan pa daw siya ni Echo with something about her car wiper or something. So, parang,
Dating na kayo na. Challenge ka
hindi.
Pero kayo dating, di ba? Confirmed naman yun, you guys are dating. Kasi na-tweet ko na yan. Pero you guys are dating, nasasabi na naman ni Echo. Pero how do you see, you know, ikaw, how do you see Echo? How would you describe it?
Yeah, he's really nice and funny and sobrang okay siya kausap. And of course, everybody knows he's such a good actor. And na-enjoy ko din yung mga eksena namin together. Which is funny kasi most of our scenes nag-aaway kami. So, masaya na off-cam, it's the opposite. And he's super, I think he's great. Charot! Nahiyan ako! Ano ba to?
You spent 4 hours talking about characterization. Di ba nagtawagan sila?
Oo, sabi niya, nag-uusap din daw kayo for, acting, tapos bigla siyang mag-aaya. Ang dami niya talaga siya.
Talaga?
And it turned out, he has your number pala all this time.
Yeah, kasi he was trying to get me pala before for one of the projects na he produced, pero hindi ako available.
So, ito talaga yung first time niyo nagkatrabaho together?
Yes.
Kinilig na lang.
Any questions?
May isang question lang po ako.
Okay.
Ano po mas mahirap? Maging kontrabida or maging bida?
Parang kontrabida. Pero I always knew na parang for me, sa mga project na nagawa ko before, parang kita ko na palagi pagod na pagod yung mga kontrabida. Kasi palagi ang taas ng energy, di ba? So talagang bilib na bilib at grateful talaga ako sa mga masasamang character na nakasama ko na in previous shows. So coming into this, alam ko na, shucks, sobrang challenging talaga to. Kasi mataas yung requirement niya sa'yo eh.
Yeah.
And true enough, mataas nga talaga.
So, napapagod niya talaga dun sa mga mo? Yung katulad dun sa trailer na yun?
Oo.
Parang
Tsaka parang wina-warningan nila ako nung una na, kasi parang nung una nga, hindi ko talaga makuha. Parang, shucks, hindi talaga ako marunong. Paano gawin tong kontrabida na hinihingi sa akin ni Direk Manny. Tapos parang sabi nila, hindi, makukuha mo yan. Tapos, kahit lunch break, masungit ka na. So medyo may ganun factor nga talaga siya na kailangan mo din siyang ipagpag after.
Kasi sa Dirty Linen, mata-mata acting lang, di ba?
Yes.
Iba to, ito sumisinghal, di ba? Sumisinghal talaga.
So, are you ready naman sa mga magiging comments ng mga tao when it comes to your acting here? Like, are you comfortable with what you did? Like, kasi may mga ganun, diba, na parang feeling mo, ay, dapat ginalingan ko pa ba dun sa scene na yun? Or dapat, ikaw?
Well, gano'n naman palagi yung feeling ko. Like in all projects, na pag napanood ko, 90% of the time feeling ko, shucks, parang I could have done something else or could have done more. Pero ang natutunan ko is na kapag ginod na ng director, kailangan mo na i-trust yun na nabigay mo na yung kung anong hinahanap nila.
Alright.
Babali lang po ako ng mga random questions.
Lagi na sa babae.
Wala akong dala!
Random questions daw po.